Hi, this is Carmella Teresa, and today I'm going to show you how to do a shell stitch. And the first thing you want to do is select a yarn that's really comfortable for you to work with and a size hook that you're comfortable with. Make a chain, maybe about 30-40 stitches, because you want to be able to practice the stitch for a little bit. So the first thing you're going to do after you have your chain complete is you're going to locate the second chain from the hook. So you're going to count 1, 2, and you're going to go in there, and you're simply going to, in this second chain, you're going to make a single crochet. So we're going to go in, a single crochet is just put your hook in, pull the loop up, wrap the yarn around, and you have your 3 pieces of yarn on your hook, and you're going to pull straight through. That is your very first stitch that you want to begin making these shells. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to count your chains again. You want to skip 2 chains. So you're going to count 1, 2, and you're going to locate your 3rd chain, because that's where you're going to work your double crochet. Now, knowing how to double crochet, the first thing you're going to do is wrap your yarn around, because you want to start working right in that 3rd chain. So you're going to go ahead in with the hook. You're going to pull yarn up and over your hook. You're going to wrap your yarn around. You're going to pull through 2. Wrap it around again and pull through. Again, there's your first double crochet. So now what you're going to do, this is great practice for making double crochet, because you're going to make 4 more, and you're going to make them in the very same stitch you were just in. So you're going to put your yarn around again, put the hook through, pull your yarn up, yarn around, pull through 2, yarn around, pull through 2. You're going to put the yarn around again. You're going through the 3rd time in the same stitch, in the same hole. You're going to make double crochet. That's your 3rd one. Now we're going to make a 4th one. 4th double crochet. And we're going to make our 5th one. And we are almost done. There. That is our first shell. Now, what you want to do is we're going to skip 2, and this really is a pattern, but you're going to skip 2 again. So you're going to count 1, 2, and you're going into your 3rd chain, and you're going to make a very simple single crochet. Now that completes your first shell. So just like you did at the beginning, you started single crochet. What you're going to do is skip 2. So you're going to go 1, 2, and in the 3rd stitch you're going to begin 5 double crochet again. So we're going to go 1, 1, 2, and in our 3rd, here it is. We want to wrap the yarn around, go into our 3rd stitch. We're making a double crochet. There's our first double crochet. We're wrapping the yarn around, we're going into that same stitch. It seems bulky and a little difficult when you're first doing it. You're like, whoa, I got to get 5 of these double crochets in 1 stitch. But you do it, and you do them one at a time and carefully, and they come out very beautifully. So here's our 5 double crochets in that one stitch. So now we're not finished with it yet, because what we want to do is skip 2 and do our single crochet. 1, 2, and then we're going to go in that 3rd stitch, and we're doing a single crochet, because that single crochet is finishing up our shell. And there it is. There's our 2nd shell. And that is how you do double crochet. So just repeat the video and go through it a few times, and I'll be putting out another video specifically on how to turn, because that is a few more steps. So practice these steps for your shell and have fun.